This video shows how to use the resist-3 test by Coris Bioconcept to identify OXA48, KPC, and NDM carbapenemase. You need the materials provided in the kit: disposable loupes, a rack for small tubes, a stopwatch, and fresh bacterial colonies. Include positive and negative control strains among your tests. Make sure kit components and specimens are at room temperature before use. Open the pouch and take out the test device. Once opened, run the test immediately. Place a tube in a rack. Add 10 drops of the Li-A buffer into the tube. Pick one colony with a disposable loupe and dip the loupe in the bottom of the tube containing the buffer. Stir thoroughly to homogenize the solution. Insert tightly the dropper onto the tube. Invert the test tube and add slowly 3 drops of diluted sample into the sample well of the cassette. Let the test run for a maximum 15 minutes. You can report positive results as soon as test and control lines become visible. Do not read results after the reaction time of 15 minutes has passed.